This is Ben from Testive, and we're looking at an ACT science question. This question is always kind of a tricky one. It says, Environmentalist 1 claims that paper bags are preferable, partly because trees are a renewable resource. Environmentalist 2's most direct response to this argument is that. Okay, so we see that Environmentalist 1 claims that paper bags are preferable, partly because trees are a renewable resource. We can see that right here. Paper is made from trees, which are a renewable resource. Okay, that's true. All right, we know that. That's a given. But we're looking for what is Environmentalist 2's most direct response to this argument. So we're not just looking for something that Environmentalist 2 claims. We're actually looking for the most direct response to this particular line of reasoning that Environmentalist 1 is taking. So let's look at these. The process of making plastic bags is actually quite clean. Harvesting trees destroys bird and animal habitats and results in soil erosion. Or we can then say that neither of those is correct, or they're both correct. Okay, so if we look at Environmentalist 2, their opinions, we can see that they say that plastic bags are fabricated from petroleum, but the process is cleaner than paper making. So option 1 is something they truly believe. We can also see that they say that new paper methods, even new paper making methods, result in soil erosion and loss of homes for species, so destroying bird and animal habitats. So both of these are true. We have to decide, so that leaves us with the task of deciding which of these, or both of them, is a more direct response to Environmentalist 1 in this case. So what is Environmentalist 1 saying? They're saying that paper bags are preferable. Okay? Why? Because trees are a renewable resource. Therefore, they're saying we should use paper bags because when we make paper bags, we harvest them from trees, which we don't fully deplete. We can grow more trees. So now if we look at the two of these things, one of them is talking about the harvesting of trees. The other is talking about the comparison between the methods of creating the bags and their effect on the environment in terms of pollution. So regardless of which is the stronger argument overall, only choice B is actually an argument that is a direct response to the argument that we should use paper because it is a renewable resource. So we have to always consider the narrow context that we're being asked to answer a question in, not just overall what seems better. So that's the kind of lesson of this question.